It would be very helpful if you first try to solve the problem yourself before watching this video.
Question 286. The function y is given by this. On which of the following intervals is the graph of y both increasing and concave down? Okay, graph of y is increasing when y prime is positive, and it is concave down when y double prime is negative, right? So we're going to have to find first derivative and second derivative of the function y. So first derivative first. First derivative is 12x squared minus 6x minus 6, right? And we're going to find the critical point. Set that is equal to 0. So let's factor 6. 2x squared minus x minus 1 is equal to 0, right? So 6, we have 2x, x. Here we must have 1 minus here plus here, right? So that 2x times negative 1 minus 2x, 1 plus x, that's plus 1x. So minus 2x plus 1x minus x, right? So that is equal to 0. So critical points are x is equal to negative 1 over 2 and x is equal to 1. Okay, now let's find the second derivative. Second derivative is here, from this equation, derivative of this, that's 24x. Derivative of minus 6x, that's minus 6. So set that is equal to 0. So 24x is equal to 6. Then x is 6 over 24, which is equal to 1 over 4, right? So we're going to do the test. First, derivative test and concavity test. So let's draw the line here. So this is number line x. Here we have negative 1 over 2, positive 1 over 4, positive 1, right? So write negative 1 over 2, positive 1 over 4, and 1 here. At these two values, at these two critical points, we're going to test apple prime, right? So first, the derivative test here. At 1 over 4, x is equal to 1 over 4, we're going to do the concavity test. So second derivative here. So far so good. Now let's substitute the one value in this interval. Oops. So we're going to substitute negative 1. Okay. Here, let's plug in negative 1 here, negative 1 here. That's a negative. That's negative, right? Negative times negative gives us positive here, right? Now let's substitute 0. Okay, 0 here, 0 here. That's a positive, negative. Positive times negative. Here we have a negative. If we substitute 2, oops. Let's substitute 2 here. Then that's going to be positive times a positive. Here we have a positive, right? So far so good. Now let's do the second concavity test. So we're going to substitute, let's say, any value less than 1 over 4, I guess 0. So we're going to substitute 0 here. Not here, the second derivative. So 0 here. Then second derivative is negative 6, negative here, right? If we substitute 1, then 24 minus 6, that's going to be positive here, right? So we're done here. We're looking for the interval where the graph of y both increasing in this interval, right? In this interval right here, where apple prime is positive, and it has to be concave down, right? Concave down. It is concave down when the second derivative is negative, right? So in this interval, negative from here to here, right? Since apple double prime is negative here, right? So both increasing and concave down, it's going to be this region right here. Oops, excuse me. Oops. Okay, so it's going to have to be this region right here, right? So where that's the interval where x is less than 1 over 2. That's the only reason. Only the interval. So the answer must be A, right?